Very good afternoon, everyone. It's somewhere around 1 minute, 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I went to sleep at 5 o'clock in the night. As I was studying a bit, I was chatting with my friend till 3 o'clock. Then I was chatting with my friend up to. No, sorry, I was chatting with my friend. क्या बोल रहा हूँ यार दिमाग. I was chatting with my friend up to 3 o'clock. Then I studied for a couple of hours. Then I went to sleep. और ये जो कुत्ता है ना मेरा, उफ, रात को इसको मतलब दिमाग का क्या दही चढ़ जाता है पता नहीं. रात को कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता है, मेरे हाथ से मार खाएगा, फिर उसके बाद सोने जाएगा. इसका डेली रूटीन यही हो चुका है. चलो कोई नहीं, लेट मी गेट अप एंड डू. आज कुछ बाहर जाने का प्लान हो रहा है. लेट मी टॉक विथ अभिषिक्ता सिस्टर. आई माइट बी गोइंग आउट विथ हर ओनली. अभी उसके बाद थोड़ा पढ़ाई भी कर लेना. देखो बुक्स यहीं पे रखा हुआ है, तो पढ़ाई कर लेने के बाद थोड़ा फ्रेश अप होके फिर बाहर घूमने जाना है. विको एशो 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 एक एशो 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 আমার সোনা ছেলে, আমার পচা ছেলে, জুজু বুজু, ও জুজু বুজু, কালকে রাত্রিরে প্যানানি খেয়েছিলে তো?
There's a party in your head, I can see it. Your eyes, they tell me everything. And even if you don't wanna believe me,
Going downstairs to tie this. People say this is a very auspicious thing. You need to tie this in your, not in your car. I said in my car, but I'm going to tie this in my bike. Yeah, this is a very auspicious thing, and every year I change this. This year I just stored it off in the temple only, so I'm going to tie it right now.
the truth is just too clear to see. You're fighting with the devil on your shoulder, 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 shoulder. And I'm not
Hey, it's now your time to take baths. Come on. Wait. अब तुम्हारी धुलाई होगी.
your enemy, I just wanna get to know ya, know ya, know ya, know ya. Eyes, you're vacant. I wanna see.
The most toughest job to make him bath. Seriously man. मुझे नहाला दिया यार. देखो पूरा भीगा भीगा कर दिया मुझे. After bath. Viku! 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 You know what? All this mess is done by him. Every day, every single day we clean it, and this idiot does that. Hey! Is lunch. Taji taji puri और आलू का करी. But still. Whiskey! मार खा भी आनिस तो. जो खाना होता है ये विस्की को भी वही खाना होता है. See, look at his face. We finished watching a good movie of Amitabh Bachchan, and now हम लोग जा रहे हैं घूमने के लिए. Now I'm confused. What shall I go? Bike or metro? No, bike will be better. I can return back home at any time. Metro होगा तो timing का बहुत problem होता है. Yes, better is bike. Good decision. हाँ सी, टाटा.
You in the morning, wake up when you say hello to the world. I wanna look deep inside what's behind.
Just reached Taliganj and I'm waiting for Abhisikta's sister. কোক ছাড়া জীবন অন্ধকার আমার। I've parked my bike there, you can see, and her metro, and she has to wait for 12 minutes and it will take 18 minutes to come to Taliganj. It's right now 4:15. Let's see how fast she comes. She told me that she'll meet me at 4 o'clock. हमेशा का है 4 बजे बोल के 4:30 बजे 5 बजे हो ही जाता है. I can understand the pain, waiting का pain. There she comes. উফ, আসছে দেখো না। ফেস রিভিল, ওরকম একটা ব্যাপার। মিট মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ড রিঙ্কির মতো। এটা দেখে কি লাভ? কি জিতেছো? মেট্রোর টিকিট জিতে এসছো? আমাকে 18 মিনিট ধরে দাঁড় করে রেখেছে। 4টের সময় দেখা করবো বললো, 4:30 বাজে। এডিট হয়ে গেছে তো বসে বসে দাঁড়িয়ে, আমাকে দাঁড়িয়ে থাকতে হবে গরমে। আমাকে ভাই বলে ডাকে, গরমে দাঁড় করিয়ে রাখে। ছি 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 ছি। এই ছিল পায়েলের মনে। যাবে, যেতে দিচ্ছে না, তখন যেতে চাইছি যেতে দিচ্ছে না।
A few moments later.
ছিলাম বেলুড় মঠ যাবো, বেলুড় মঠ আর যাওয়া হলো না, তাই স্টেডিয়ামে এসেছি। স্টেডিয়ামে এসে একটু লেবু চা খাচ্ছি। বেলুড় মঠ যাবো না কেন, যে রিজনের জন্য যাবো সেটা তো বসে দেখতেই দেবো না, সেই জন্য বেলুড় মঠ আর যাচ্ছি না। যুগলদার দোকানে চা খাচ্ছি। প্লিজ, ইটস মাই রিকোয়েস্ট, মানে আমার সব সাবস্ক্রাইবাররা একবার এসে এখানকার চাটা খেয়ে যায়। এটা হচ্ছে ওই স্টেডিয়ামের ওখানে, হাওড়া ডুমুরজলা স্টেডিয়াম, ওখানে এসে যাকে জিজ্ঞাসা করবো যুগলদার চায়ের দোকান দেখিয়ে দেবে। লেজেসি চা এনার দোকান প্রায় 125 বছর ধরে চলছে। মানে আমার ঠাকুরদাও খেয়েছে, বাবাও খেয়েছে, আমিও খাচ্ছি। Now we are at Avni Riverside Mall. We are here for some work. We'll just check it out and then we'll move somewhere else. Let's see what happens. She's serious. She's actually serious. At खिदिरपुर right now, so चाय वाय पीने के लिए आए हैं। আর চা ছাড়া আর কি খাবে? আর কিছু খাবে না? চায়ের সঙ্গে টাটা হলে ভালো তো, মানে টা মানে এইটা নয়, বিস্কুট টিস্কুট আর কি। Finished my dinner. I thought of talking with you all. Let me lay over and talk with you all. I need to talk something serious with you all. Actually, me and Vishikta's sister, we met after a long time. So actually we went for a work in Avni Riverside Mall, which you people will get to know after a month or two. And the thing is that I couldn't shoot properly because I was really very busy inside the mall, and even I was talking about something serious about my career and my life, whatever it's going on. But one thing, in my opinion, what I want to say, that in my conditions, whatever I have learned, like how hard your life goes, try to live your life every moment. That's what I've learned from myself, my life, and even my friend's life, Shrijit. Yeah, I dropped him in I dropped her in Taliganj metro station from where I picked her up. Then from there I went to Shrijit's house. I was talking something serious about him. Yeah, what we have learned about life is, and even from our friends, that no matter how much hard your life goes, try to accept each and everything. If you are getting rice and dal, okay, try to find happiness in that. And if you are getting biryani every day, try to find happiness in that. it will actually help you to adjust in each and every place, and no matter wherever you go, whatever happens with you, you get married, you be a father of a child, or you become an any such type of person, it will actually help you to adjust in each and every aspects of life. Trust me, do that, and this is what I've learned from my life. It's not, I used to think when my father was alive, I used to think that life is very easy. यार पढ़ाई वढ़ाई कर लेंगे, 12वीं के बाद एयर कैबिन क्रू का ट्रेनिंग लेंगे, पढ़ाई करेंगे, हो जाएगा काम. नहीं, it's not actually that easy. It's not actually easy. This COVID thing has changed my life a lot, and it has taught me what is struggle. If you think about one thing, that whenever you are unhappy, you are thinking that आज अगर आज संडे था, आज दाल चावल मिल गया, बिरयानी होता तो अच्छा हो जाता. Just think about that guy who is sleeping on the streets. He doesn't have any house. He is begging for his own parents, for his, for his family. Even he is also struggling. Each and every person is struggling. The person who has hell lot of money, even that person is also struggling. How to keep it safe? Every person is struggling. So one thing I want to say, live your life every moment. It will help you. Trust me, it will actually help you. No matter how much money you have, you don't have money, पैसों की बात यहाँ पे नहीं आ रहा है. Whatever I'm trying to say, whatever I'm saying, think that. Don't take it in a different way, make it a different meaning. Understand what I'm trying to say. That is what life is. Try to find happiness. And yeah, bye bye, take care, and stay happy however you are. Goodbye.